Making a golf cart street legal in Florida can feel overwhelming, as there are numerous parts, paperwork, and compliance requirements to tackle. However, we're here to break it down and guide you through every step. In this video, we'll cover the 10 essential steps for converting your golf cart into a legal, road-ready vehicle in Florida. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest videos and tips. 1. Bill of Sale. The bill of sale is crucial for proving ownership and documenting the parts included with your golf cart purchase. This document should outline every street legal part installed when you bought the cart, like headlights or turn signals. Inspectors will review it closely to ensure it's complete and that each necessary part is listed. Key details on the bill of sale should include name, contact info, address of the seller, the purchase price clearly stated, as well as the signatures of the seller and buyer to validate the document. Without this, the inspection process can be delayed or rejected. 2. Receipts for additional parts. For any street legal parts not covered by your bill of sale, you'll need receipts. These receipts confirm you've purchased and installed the required parts individually. Each receipt should be itemized and show details of the seller or vendor, taxes paid if applicable, and that it's marked as paid with no balance remaining. Online receipts are fine, but they must meet all requirements. Ensure you print a clear copy. 3. Street legal components installed. Next, let's go through each essential component and the basic installation requirements for each. Headlights and taillights. Proper illumination is critical for visibility. Headlights and taillights are typically installed by cutting holes in the body of the cart and connecting them to the cart's wiring harness. Turn signal module. This device, mounted on the steering column, enables your turn signals. Horn. Mounted under the front of your cart, the horn connects to your electrical system and should be accessible from the driver's seat. Brake lights. Installed with a switch on the brake pedal so they activate when pressed. This is essential for letting drivers know when you're stopping. License plate light. Required for visibility at night, typically installed above the plate. Slow-moving vehicle emblem. Displayed at the rear of the cart to alert other drivers. Seat belts. Required for each seat. Side mirrors. Ensure each side mirror meets DOT standards. Some models come with LED indicators for added safety. Rear view mirror. Options include multi-panel or panoramic designs, allowing maximum rear visibility. The windshield must have a DOTAS 1, 4, or 5 stamp. Without this, it won't pass inspection. You will also need at least one wiper, typically mounted directly on the windshield. Reflectors. These are required on each side and rear of the cart, totaling 4 reflectors for safety. Tires must be certified as street legal and DOT compliant for safe road performance. Many of these components, like lights and mirrors, connect to your wiring harness, which will need proper installation. Additionally, a voltage reducer is often recommended, as it balances power across your batteries, helping to extend their life. 4. Weight slip. You'll need a certified weight slip, which can typically be obtained at a CAT scale. Be sure to confirm in advance that the slip meets all requirements. 5. Photos of your cart. Submit printed photos of the front, side, and back of your cart with your paperwork, showing all installed street legal components. 6. Filling out forms. Once your golf cart has the required street legal parts, it's time to handle the paperwork. In Florida, you'll need to complete Form HSMV 82040 for vehicle registration, along with any local forms required by your county tax collector's office. Submit these along with your bill of sale, receipts, and proof of insurance. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid delays in approval. 7. Dropping off paperwork. Take your paperwork to a regional office, not the standard tax collector's office, with your forms, bill of sale, receipts, photos, and weight slip. No need to bring your cart. 8. Inspection. After reviewing your paperwork, the state will schedule an inspection, requiring you to trailer your cart to the inspection site. Passing the inspection results in a VIN on your steering column and a sealed packet for the tax collector. 9. Insurance. Insure your cart as an LSV, low-speed vehicle, to meet Florida's minimums of 10 kpip and 10 kpdl. Not all carriers offer LSV insurance, so you may need to compare options. 10. Get your title, plate, and registration. Bring your sealed packet and proof of insurance to the tax collector's office, where you'll pay any remaining sales tax and complete the process. And that wraps up our guide on making your golf cart street legal in Florida. By following these steps, you'll be ready to hit the road safely and confidently. Remember, every part and piece of paperwork is essential to pass inspection and stay compliant with Florida law. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming tips and guides on all things golf cart. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.